Hi, kindergartners. Let's blend with all of the sounds that we know. Here's the first one. S, I, si, sim, sim. Ready? A, ha, had, had. Na, not, not. Me, mep, mep. Let's keep going. B, I, bi, bin, bin. S, a, sa, sab, sab. A, ha, hop, hop. D, e, de, debt, debt. O, I, li, limb, limb. A, na, nap, nap. All right, you try this one. Saw, sod, sod. You try this one. Ne, nem, nem. Try this word. Ready? I, hi, hid, hid. Try this. Okay. Na, nat, nat. D, da, dob, dob. Le, lep, lep. All right, friends, if these are still hard for you, that's okay. When we keep practicing, we keep getting better and better at it. So even if this is still tricky, we will keep practicing, and the more we practice, the more our brains will grow and we will turn into readers. Good work today, friends.